This 80-year-old hydropower plant in Salido Valley in West Sumatra was not in operation for a long time, from 1995 till 2007. My Climate, a non-profit foundation selling carbon offsets, has supported the restoration of Salido Kessel mini hydropower plant. Micro hydropower is gentle to the environment and can be used to replace the fossil fuels in rural areas.
Saya jual dengan PLN sampai PLN memutuskan tidak mau beli lagi tahun 95. Tapi nyatanya itu mereka itu sering diprotes masyarakat juga, sebentar mati ya.
The government electricity company, PLN, started to buy cheaper electricity from diesel power plants. At that time, it was not economically viable to run the micro hydro. Until 2002, diesel was heavily subsidized in Indonesia. Now the demand for hydropower is increasing.
It really started to change, firstly with the introduction of the small private power producer, renewable energy producer program, which was introduced by the Indonesian government in 2002. And at around the same time, following the economic crisis experienced in the late 90s, the government started to apply a policy of reduction of subsidies, primarily on diesel fuel. So those two factors combined to start to create a more conducive environment for investment in renewable energy projects.
PT Entec renovates the Salido Kessel mini hydropower plant. In 2006, the restoration of the plant started and lasted for 1.5 years. The first out of 3 turbines was restored.
Selama pekerjaan 1,5 tahun kita di sini dari PT Entec memperkerjakan orang lokal sebanyak 20 orang ya. 20 orang, tapi kadang-kadang kita bisa tambah sampai 30 orang. Pekerjaan sipil, pekerjaan elektrikal, pekerjaan mekanikal. Nah, kita di sini proses untuk pekerjaan mekanikal tidak bisa dilaksanakan di Sumatera Barat ya. Karena ya mungkin karena Sumatera Barat ini adalah kota budaya ya, bukan industri. Jadi kita lebih cenderung ini setelah direnovasi semua peralatan turbin yang ada sekarang kita perbaiki prosesnya di Bandung.
We don't need sophisticated equipment with this simple machining. We can make a turbine for this generate renewable energy. Yeah, actually we start since 94. Before this booming of hydropowers, roughly years we produce only 5 to maximum 6. And since 3 years ago, almost 20 to 30 units per year, ranging from 5 kilowatts to 150 kilowatts.
Economically, it is reliable, and environmentally, it's sustainable. Now, Salido Kessel is once again providing power to the national grid. It contributes to increase the stability of the electricity that is supplied to people by the grid. When all 3 turbines are restored, it will reduce around 4,000 tons of CO2 per year.
Every hour we can produce 330 kilowatt hours, which is the energy amount. And this, to produce with diesel genset, you will need about, for 3 kilowatt hours, you will need 1 liter of fuel. So actually this power plant is producing, we can say producing every hour 110 liters of fuel by avoiding it in other power plants. Every day this power plant avoiding about 2,600 liters of fuel, and the production of 3 days is 1 tank lorry.
Micro hydropower can be installed in rural areas and be maintained locally. It is an increasingly popular source of energy in Indonesia and is used both by micro enterprises and larger enterprises. Renewable energy depends upon investments and commitment. There is a huge potential of microhydro, but for that, financial support is needed. If properly supplied, energy makes life easier, empowers people and contributes to economic development.